What is an expensive soil? The expensive soil contain minerals such as the semicite, bentonite, montmorillite, beetalite, vermiculite, non-tronite, and the cronite clays that are capable of absorbing the waters. When they absorb water, the volume of the soil is increased, and the more water they absorb, the more their volume is increased. So if the soil has the clay minerals like that, their tendency is to expand when they come into contact with the moisture. Expansion of the 10% or more are not uncommon. The change in the volume can exert enough force on the building or structure to cause damage. The cracked foundation floor and the basement walls are typical type of damage done by swelling of the soil, and damage to the upper floors of the building can occur when the motion in the structure is significant. The expensive soil will also shrink when they dry out. This shrinkage can remove and support from the building or other structure and the result in damaging subsidence. Fissure in the soil can also develop. This fissure can facilitate the deep penetration of the water. When moisture condition or runoff occurs, the cycle of the shrinkage and swelling place repetitive stress on the structure and damage worsen over the time. So when the soil is come in the contact with the moisture and the repeatedly moisture content is changed, the characteristics of the soil is changed. So why do this soil expand? The soil are composed of the variety of the material, most of which do not expand the presence of the moisture. तो most of the soil particle जो होते हैं जिनका composition होता है उसकी वो क्या होते हैं, वो water के साथ में expand नहीं होते हैं. लेकिन कुछ clay minerals है just like semicite, bentonite, montmorillite, beetalite, vermiculite, epiphyllite, non-tronite, and chlorite. These are the some clay minerals. If they are present in the soil, they have the tendency to expand when they are come in the contact with the moisture. There are also some sulfate salts that will expand with change in the temperature. When the soil contain a large amount of the expensive minerals, it has the potential of significant expansion, and when the soil contain very little expensive material minerals in it, it has a little expensive potential. So change in the moisture content trigger the damage. When the expensive soil are present, they will generally not cause a problem if their water content remain constant. The situation where greatest damage occur is when there are significant and repeated moisture contained in the change. Remedies of what are the remedies should be applied on the construction when the construction is on the expensive soil? It is possible to build successively and safely on the expensive soil if the stable moisture content can be maintained, or if the building can be insulated from any soil volume change that might occur. The procedure for success is as follow. तो हम क्या करना चाहिए, जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइड है उसके अंदर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमको ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर चेंज ना हो सॉइल के अंदर, और जो भी थिंग्स है जिसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है वहाँ की सॉइल के अंदर मॉइस्चर के अंदर चेंज आ रहा है, उनसे हमको वहाँ के इस एरिया को कवर करना चाहिए और उसको इंसुलेटेड रखना चाहिए कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट को, so that the water cannot reach to the soil. And next is the testifying and identify the problems, design the minimize moisture content change and insulate from the soil volume change, build in a way that will not change in the moisture condition of the soil, maintain a constant moisture environment after construction. Expert assistance is also useful for this type of things. These are the some remedies measures for construction on the expensive soil